Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel all about real estate. My name is Lewis, and in today's video, we're going to give you a quick market update here in the Sacramento area. We're going to go over all sorts of stats and facts, and I'll give you a quick interest rate update here as well. So if you are new to the channel and you like all things finance, real estate, and investing, consider liking, subscribing, and sharing this video. And without further ado, let's get right into it. We had in March of 2022, we had just under 1,300 units for sale, and we had just a hair over 2,000 units sold in the Sacramento region. Now, this red line is the indication of homes that are pended or under contract, means somebody has actually agreed to purchase them and a seller has agreed to sell them. You can see a pretty massive spike here, which is normal for the time of year, but we have about 2,400 units under contract. So just last month, average price per square foot is up to about $354. Now, in February, price per square foot was $342. We're up about 12 bucks a square foot. Year over year, we're actually up 19.2%. So rather large increase here in the average price per square foot. Orange, you have the average days on market. We're currently sitting at about 2 weeks on the market, just a hair above. Homes are still selling very, very quickly. It's a seller's market. Nothing really has changed here. But the green line is an indication of how homes are selling in compared to the list price. So as of last month, homes are on average selling for 103% of the actual list price, which means a lot of times they're getting multiple offers and they're going for over what that listing price is. This is the average home price listed for sale, $889,000 versus the average sold price, which is $695,000. Last one that I want to show you here is the month's worth of inventory. So no surprise here, we've been in a seller's market for a long time. Anything under 3 months worth of inventory is going to be a seller's market. If you look here, we have just over a half a month's worth of inventory. So there's really not much housing stock available, even though we've started to see inventory kind of increase slightly. All right, now the next thing I want to talk about here is mortgage rates, because that obviously impacts purchasing power, that impacts the market, because most folks are not necessarily buying the home outright. They're not paying cash. They're actually buying a payment. Well, recently we have seen rates kind of climb pretty dramatically. We have blown through the 3% range. We've blown through the 4% range, and now we are hovering in the low 5% range. Now, this is just something I did on a Google search, but on average, if you take a look at it, as of April 5th, 2022, $400,000 loan amount with 20% down out here in California. Excellent credit. The average 30-year fixed rate is sitting at about 5.28%. Now, I would imagine this is with no points, no lender charges, things like that. But you can see that it is certainly higher than it was, a month or two ago. And one thing that I've mentioned in the past is that the mortgage rates tend to track the 10-year Treasury yield. So this is the 10-year Treasury yield. This is a 1-year chart. Well, you can see that just in the last month and a half or so, there's been a major spike in the 10-year Treasury yield. In March of 2022, just last month, we were in the very beginning of March, we were sitting at about 1.72%, and now we are sitting at 2.648, and really it has not let up. Every single day, it seems like these rates are starting to climb. The 10-year Treasury yield is increasing, and that's just kind of where we are in the market. So I would expect that rates are going to continue to rise here for the foreseeable future, but only time will tell. Obviously, I don't have a crystal ball, but this is going to be impacting folks' purchasing power. All right, so that is our quick market update for the Sacramento region. We went over some stats and facts covering El Dorado, Sacramento, and Placer County. Then, of course, I gave you a quick little mortgage update there as well. I hope you found this information valuable. If you did, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing the video. Thank you so much. Have a great day.